Nest started as a small organization that had a really big dream. Through that dreaming, they have reached out to us as a public school system to see how they could serve students who have typically been underserved. It takes a great leap of faith for an organization to invest a lot of money in this kind of a dream, and the return on it has been experiences that are invaluable to our students.
Hi, I'm Willie. I'm a Nest educator here at Ocean Beach, and this week we are going to be working with our kids from Camp Rotary from Benny Dover Middle School out of New London, and we're going to do a reflection book, and that reflection book is to practice their writing skills and to tell me how they feel being comfortable in the water and comfortable with science. So all week they've been telling me in their reflection book how they feel kayaking, how they feel in the water, and how they feel snorkeling. And today we're going to actually combine both kayaking and snorkeling. We're going on a kayak snorkel. So it's going to be a lot of fun for the kids, but we're also incorporating science as well. And we are going to kayak to the island that's right behind me. We'll see in a little bit. But we're going to then, when we land, we're going to take our clipboards and try to count as many green crabs or as many blue crabs, or even if we are lucky enough to see a striped bass. So we're gonna record that so they can get excited for it. This works because it's actually, I feel like I'm teaching to the kid that I was. I was always the kid in class that always if I'm not getting really interested, I sometimes get a little bored. And all of these kids want to learn, and almost every kid likes to learn in their backyard, and this is their backyard. They're all from New London and they never use this resource. A lot of these kids also don't even know how to swim, and they're going in the water. When they have something to collect, they're gonna learn how to swim. They're gonna make themselves learn how to swim. And they're going out and they're wanting to swim to the crabs, or they're wanting to swim to the fish with their net. And it's really getting them into it and really utilizing their legit backyard, legitimately their backyard. So it's actually been a really, really good thing for them, and I think that's why it works. It gives them something to learn and to focus for and strive for.
1, 2, 3.